Breakout trading strategy, stocks, forex, futures, crypto. This will work for anything you can plot on a chart. So the first thing that we need to understand is that one of the biggest problems with trading is that people trade what everybody else is trading. Everybody knows certain things in trading, well, knows in quotation marks, air quotes. One of those things, for example, is a trend is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That is not true. All right. That is bull cookie. That is not and never has been the proper definition of a trend. So right away, if you think that's what a trend is, sorry, thank you for playing, but no QPDL for you today. A lot of things out there like this that people think they know and they really don't. In fact, in your own experience, rather than me just going through a bunch of these hypothetically, just ask yourself, have you ever thought, and the reason I'm asking this is because I've thought this, have you ever thought that if you just did the opposite of every trade you took, you'd be a millionaire? Almost like everything you do is wrong, like the market makers, your broker, the specialists, whoever, it's like they're just out to get you. They're so enamored with your individual account that they're just watching you, almost like they've got a camera over your shoulder. Maybe they're watching you through your camcorder. Camcorder? No, that's not. Man, am I old. Camcorder. No, those video camera things on your monitors. You know what I'm talking about. I need my daughters here to interpret for me. But anyway, they're watching you and they're trading the opposite of you. And if you just took the opposite of your trade, you'd be a millionaire. Ever thought that? I used to. Now that's an indicator that you should be doing the opposite. Your mind, your subconscious mind, is picked up on these patterns over time, repetition. But the problem is you can't reconcile that with what you've learned logically, what you've been taught in courses and videos and so forth, because it contradicts what you've learned as traditional technical analysis, which never worked for anybody. So let's walk through this little example here. So we've got higher high, higher low. We talked about that. Let's say that you wanted to buy. We're talking about trading on the right edge of the screen right now. Let's say that you said, okay, we've got putting in a higher low. And let's say we're going to buy this. All right. Now we buy this and let's watch it bar by bar. So now we get a red bar. This is another situation where a lot of people get enamored and distracted by red and green, red and green. They think red's negative, green is positive. Not necessarily the case. That's an oversimplification. But here, if you were in, this is where emotions could come in. You've got money on the line if you're trading real money. And fear, greed, FOMO, FUD, all these things start playing on your emotions. You're like, oh my gosh, what should I do? Indecisiveness, maybe you get out or maybe you stay in, whatever the case may be. Oh, now we got a doji, it's neutral. Oh, I don't know what to do. You feel your anxiety starting to rise. Maybe you stay in. Whew, okay, good. Gapped up a little bit. It's a green bar. Now you can relax, you can exhale, and you're feeling a little better. All right, still a green bar. We're still golden. All right, maybe I'm a genius trader. Uh-oh, no so bueno. Now we got a big red bar. Oh my gosh, my kids are never going to college. I'm never going to retire. I'm going to end up on the streets under the freeway, living in a refrigerator box. I can see my life flash, before my very eyes. Should I get out? Should I stay in? I don't know. Uh-oh, not so good. Okay, let's stay in one more bar and see. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is your entry. This is your entry. This is the professional entry. And it goes back to what I was saying. What we've done is we've broken this low. Actually, let me use the arrow here. And it goes back to if you do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, you'll get the opposite of what everyone else is getting, which of course is winners, because most people get losers. And they're buying higher highs and higher lows. And what you want to do is actually buy a lower low. Do the opposite. So when people are getting stepped out, the average, when I say people, I'm talking about the average trader, because most people lose money, then you want to do the opposite of what they're doing and you want to get in. Some people call this a stop run. Possibly could be, but that's where you want to get in. Think that's where the professionals are getting at. They're providing liquidity to the market. They're taking the money out of your account. They're putting it in their account. So do what they do. Follow the smart money. Do the opposite of traditional technical analysis. All right, so far so good. Oh, we get a nice gap. All right, let's see if we can break these highs. Oops, fell over and broke them. Now, do you get nervous? What do you do? Neutral, red, green. Is that a big problem? Nope, still pretty neutral. Oh, a gap up. Now see, we're getting a gap up on a red bar. Some people would just lock that in, but it keeps every bar here is kind of narrow range. Oh, there we go. There we go. So the key concept here is number one, enter when amateurs are exiting. That's what professionals do. Do the opposite. Trading is opposite world. Number two, you're going to want to trade in the direction of the momentum of the next higher time frame. This is another thing that people teach that's incorrect, where they say use multiple time frames. That part's correct. Usually people are giving you half truths, so that part is definitely correct. I never would trade with just one time interval, but I don't give a mouse's left patootie what the trend is on the next higher time frame, because trend is a lagging indicator, and that would be on a slower chart, a lagging chart. What I do want to do is always and only trade on the direction of momentum of the higher time frame. Momentum is the strength of money flow, and that's what I want to do. Trade in the direction I want. Bullish momentum on the short-term time frame, bullish momentum on the longer-term time frame. That's strength. That's demand on both time frames concurrently. Then I'm looking for a low on the short-term time frame to be taken out. Okay, that stop to be run. Boom, I enter in the direction of the strength of money flow on concurrent cycle lows. Off to the races we go. And the key is, however, you cannot just buy every lower low. If you did that, it's going to be no-brainer for you as well, because we don't know. Here's the problem, and the secret sauce comes in with, well, how do I know it's going to stop there and go up, as opposed to go down and go down and go down and go down and go down? So two keys to that. The secret sauce is, I already mentioned one, momentum on both time frames needs to be bullish. And number two, when to enter. And that's where my cycle indicator comes in. The cycle indicator shows you time, the timing, and it oscillates between highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs. Now, just because we have a timing indicator here doesn't mean that we buy every low and we short every high. Again, we're only going to trade the high or the low in the direction of momentum of both time frames. So in this situation where momentum is up, I'm only looking to buy lows. So that's the difference between a strong trend and a weak trend. Now, if you want to learn more about this and more details about it, go to get my free trade strategy, the rubber band trade. It's at rubberbandtrade.com, as you can see there. And I will introduce you to the details of all of this and give you a trade strategy that actually you can start making money with right now, and absolutely free. I don't even charge for it. I want you to start making money first. That's how I develop trust with people, is giving a trade strategy. You start making money, and then if you like more stuff from me, you can get it. All right, so click the subscribe button as well, and that way you'll get notified when I come out with other videos here on YouTube.